Hey guys, what's going on? This is John from Friends of Your Benefits, where we're here to help you make healthier benefit choices for you and your family. Today we're going to talk about how you actually go about filing an out-of-network claim with Aetna, and we'll show you the very easy way you can do this from your own iPhone. Now, before you see an out-of-network provider, there's a few things that you ought to know. So, number one, the out-of-network deductible is likely going to be significantly higher compared to the in-network level. On top of that, if you happen to satisfy your out-of-network deductible, your coinsurance is likely going to be higher compared to the in-network levels. It's very common for in-network coinsurance to be anywhere between 10 and 30%, but if you happen to see an out-of-network provider, the coinsurance that you're responsible for paying can be anywhere between 40 and sometimes 50% of the overall bill. On top of that, if you happen to see the out-of-network provider, the reimbursement rate that the health insurance company is going to provide and reimburse either you or the provider is going to be significantly lower compared to seeing an in-network provider. For example, it's very common to see the out-of-network reimbursement rate be 150% of Medicare, but on the flip side, health insurance companies really love their networks, and they're likely going to pay that in-network provider anywhere between 2 and 300% of Medicare. So if you see that out-of-network provider, just know and just be prepared that the out-of-network provider might not be happy with the overall reimbursement rate, and they may send you a bill for the difference in what they actually want between their bill charges and what the health insurance company is going to reimburse them. So let's go right to our iPhone and we'll show you how to actually go about filing the out-of-network claim. So we open the Aetna app and then we scroll down until we see Manage, and there's a whole bunch of categories here. We can look at our ID cards, Quick Care, Health and Wellness, Claims, and these are our filed claims, or what we're going to focus on today is Submit a Claim. So we click that, and we're going to go step 1, which says Add Claim and Cost Information to get started. So we click that. It asks to populate which member we're going to do this for, so we're going to click Me. We do that, we say it's a medical claim, and then just for today's purpose, we're going to put down the claim happened on December 19th. We go back, and we have two options here. We could put that I paid the provider in full or leave this blank. And what I did is I actually paid my provider in full, so we check that off. The next item is we're going to upload an itemized bill, which has information about the provider, facility, services, and costs and payments. And really, they need this ultimately to know what the potential reimbursement rate could be. So we click Upload. It has a picture of the image. And then we're done. We click Upload. We go back. And then what I forgot to do here is actually put in the amount paid. And what we will type in will be $500. We go back. Step 2, review accident, employment, and coverage details. So we do that, and this claim is not related to an accident, anything related to my employment. In the last category, the claim covered by another health group plan, such as Blue Cross, no fault insurance, Medicare, any federal, state, or local government plan. We're going to leave this one blank as well, and this is important because basically you would only check this off if you happen to have coverage through another health insurance plan, such as your spouse's. We go back, and the last step is to click Sign and Submit. We do that. We have to go down, and there's an option to view state notices. We won't do this now. And then we check off the box that says I have reviewed the state notices for claim submissions. And when we're ready, we click Submit. Once we do that, Aetna will review the information, and if this claim is eligible for reimbursement, they will reach out to me, and likely I'll receive a check in the mail from them. So we want to hear from you guys. Have you happened to file an out-of-network claim in the past? And if so, what was the overall reimbursement process like? Comment below.